Good morning, students. Welcome to your Edugani. Now we are going to discuss about how to convert Mealy machine to More machine. Okay, let us see the steps how to convert Mealy machine to More machine. The first step is in More machine the output is associated with every state, like Q into every state anamata. Output state is associated with every state in More, whereas Mealy machine state into input gives rise to output in Mealy machine. But in Mealy machine the output is edged with input symbol, like Q into epsilon gives rise to delta in Mealy machine. To convert More to Mealy, output symbols are distributed to input symbols. But to convert Mealy to More, we will separate the state of every new output symbol, and accordingly to incoming and outgoing edges are distributed. Let us draw the transition diagram of this More machine. Your Mealy machine. Current state, current state 0 and 1 are inputs. Q0, Q1, Q2 are states. Q0 on input 0 gives rise to Q0 and generating output 1. Q0 on input 1 gives rise to Q1 and generating output 0. Q1 on input 0 gives rise to Q2 and generating output 1. Q1 on input 1 gives rise to Q0 and generating output 0. Now Q0, Q1, Q2. Q0 ఎన్ని అవుట్పుట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి Q0కి 1, 2 అంటే 1 0కి 1కి Q0కి 0 and 1 two typesగా వస్తున్నాయి అవుట్పుట్స్. Now Q0 is divided into Q00, Q01. Q1కి ఎన్ని అవుట్పుట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి Q1, same outputs are there for Q1. Q2కి 1, 0. So 0కి 1కి Q20, Q21. Okay. Q00 on input 0 gives rise to Q0, 1. Q0, 1 is this one. Q01 and generating output 1. Q0 on input 1 gives rise to Q1, 0 and Q1, same for Q1, 0. Q01 is Q0, same. These two are same. Q01, 1, Q1, 0. Q1 on 0 gives rise to Q2 and generating output 1 means this one. Q21, generating output 1. Q0, 0. Q 0 0 comma 0, Q2 comma 0 on Q2 0 comma 0, Q1 comma 0, same, Q2 comma 0 0, Q1 comma 0. Now outputs are finding us. Outputs are finding Q0 0, Q0 0 की 1 ఉంది 0, Q01, Q01, this one, so output is 1, Q1 into 0, Q2 0, Q2 0 is this one, is 0, Q2 1 అంటే Q2 1 comma 1 అంటే 1. This is transition table for more machine. Thank you. Please do subscribe. You are in for more videos.